If you need to reset two-factor authentication on SHEIN, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Log into your SHEIN account. Visit the SHEIN website or app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or account section of the website or app. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication settings. Look for the security settings or two-factor authentication section within your account settings. This is where you can manage your authentication methods. Step 4. Select Reset option. In the two-factor authentication section, there should be an option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. Step 5. Follow verification steps. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve receiving a code via email or SMS, which you will need to enter to complete the reset. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on SHEIN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SHEIN customer support for further assistance.